What if you could learn how to use AI to automate your marketing, build funnels faster, and grow your online business, all in just 5 days? That's exactly what the AI Secrets Challenge promises. Created by Brunson and Todd Dickerson, the AI Secrets Challenge is a free 5-day live virtual event designed to help entrepreneurs understand how to use AI to simplify business tasks and build smarter systems. But what exactly is this challenge, and how does it actually work? Let's break it down. The AI Secrets Challenge is an online training event where Brunson and Todd Dickerson teach how AI can be used in real business situations. Instead of spending hours doing repetitive tasks manually, the goal is to show you how AI can help automate those tasks and improve efficiency. That includes things like writing marketing emails, creating content, building sales funnels, automating follow-ups, and streamlining your business workflows. The idea behind the challenge is simple. Use AI to replace repetitive manual work so you can grow your business faster. The event takes place over 5 days, with each session running about 90 minutes. Each day focuses on helping entrepreneurs understand how AI fits into different areas of online business. For example, one session may focus on using AI to build funnels faster. Another may show how AI can help create content like emails, blog posts, or ad copy. And another may explain how to automate follow-ups and marketing systems. By the end of the challenge, the goal is to give you a clear picture of how AI can be used to improve your productivity and build smarter business systems. What makes this event attractive is that it focuses on practical business applications, not just AI theory. Many people know AI tools exist, but they don't know how to actually use them in a business. This challenge is designed to bridge that gap. It helps entrepreneurs understand how AI can support tasks that normally take hours, such as creating content, writing copy, building funnels, and automating customer communication. That can save a huge amount of time, and that's why this matters. Because in today's online business world, speed and efficiency matter more than ever. The entrepreneurs who learn how to use AI to automate systems now will have a big advantage over those who continue doing everything manually. That's the real value of the AI Secrets Challenge. It's about learning how to work smarter, not harder. Now, it's important to understand that this is a free event, and like many free trainings, there may be offers presented during or after the challenge. That's normal. But even with that, the free training itself can still provide useful insights for entrepreneurs who want to understand how AI can improve their business systems. So, if you've been wondering what the AI Secrets Challenge is and how it works, it's a free 5-day live training event designed to show entrepreneurs how to use AI for building funnels, creating content, automating marketing, and improving business efficiency. And if learning how to use AI in your business is something you've been wanting to explore, this may be worth checking out. If you want to learn more about the AI Secrets Challenge, check the link in the description before registration closes. And if this video helped you, be sure to subscribe for more videos about AI tools, funnels, and online business growth.